Here are the top strategies for the proven AI workflow that doubled my output that nobody is talking about. Number 1 might surprise you. Strategy 1, the 5-minute start. When you feel resistance toward the proven AI workflow that doubled my output, commit to just 5 minutes. Once you start, momentum takes over. Strategy 2, batch your efforts. Instead of spreading the proven AI workflow that doubled my output throughout the day, dedicate one focused block. Your brain will thank you. Strategy 3, use visual cues. Put reminders for the proven AI workflow that doubled my output in places you cannot miss. Your environment should trigger the right behavior. Strategy 4, track your streak. Every day you work on the proven AI workflow that doubled my output, mark it on a calendar. The longer the streak, the harder it is to break. Strategy 5, reward yourself. After completing the proven AI workflow that doubled my output, do something enjoyable. This creates a positive feedback loop in your brain. Bonus strategy, teach someone else about the proven AI workflow that doubled my output. Teaching forces you to understand it deeply and locks the knowledge in. The biggest mistake people make with the proven AI workflow that doubled my output? Overthinking the start. Analysis paralysis kills more dreams than failure ever will. Pick just one of these strategies and try it today. You do not need all of them. You just need to start with one. Which strategy are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for daily AI tools and technology content. See you tomorrow.